Hello, good day. How are you today? Okay, I hope we're good and we're ready to learn. Today in mathematics, we're going to be learning about mode. In today's lesson, we're going to know the meaning of mode and how to find our mode. Are we ready? We're with our books and our pencils or pen to get into today's lessons, right? Okay. First off, we're going to know the meaning of mode before we move on. What is mode? Mode is a number that appears most often. In many examples of statistical data, some numbers appear more than once, okay? Mode refers to value or values that occur most frequently in a data set. It is the number that appears with the highest frequency. Do we understand? Among all the numbers in the data set, it appears more. So mode is the number that appears more. So we are going to be using some examples to find our mode, okay? Are we ready? Good. We have our example here, they said find the mode of the following set of numbers. We have number 1 here, 6, 6, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10. While to find the mode of these numbers, and we said modes are what? Numbers that appear more. Okay, so we first of all start with our first number. We write out our first number 6 and count how many times it appeared. We're going to be counting how many times it appeared. Let's count 1, 2. There's no other 6, right? So 6 appeared only 2 times. Okay, we move over to the next number. We have 8. The next number here is still 6, so we don't do it because we have already counted it. So move to the next one. We have 8. Write out 8 and count how many 8s we are seeing. Okay, 1. We are seeing only one 8, right? Good, we write it down. Then we move to the next one. We have 9. Write out 9 and count how many 9s we are seeing. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 9s, so we write it out. 9 equals to 3. Then we'll move to the next number. The next number is still 9 and 9. So we don't bother writing it because we have already counted it. So we'll move to the next number. We have 10 here. Write out 10 and count how many times 10 appeared. 1. 10 appeared only one time. So we look through these numbers to know the one that appeared more, right? Because mode, we said, appears often, a number that appeared more. Okay, so 6 appeared 2 times, 8 appeared 1 time, 9 appeared 3 times, and 10 appeared 1 time. So which is the highest? 9, right? Because 9 appeared 3 times. So our answer is equals to 9. Did we understand? Okay, good. We'll move over to the next one. We have 7, 5, 6, 7, 5, 9, 3, 3, 4, 4. Now, in our mode, we don't need to arrange from ascending order to descending order, okay? Because even if you arrange it from the ascending to the descending, it will still give you the same answer, okay? Or you arrange from the descending to the ascending, it will still give you the same answer. So you don't need to do that. You just go straight to finding out your mode, okay? Now we've first of all write our first number. We have 7. We are going to do is count out how many times 7 appeared. Let's count. 1, 2. 7 appeared how many times? 2 times. So we say 7 equals to 2. Then we move to the next number. We have 5. We are going to count out how many times 5 appeared. So write out 5 and count how many times 5 appeared. 1, 2. So 5 appeared 2 times. We write it out. Then we move to the next number. We count out how many times 6 appeared. We write out 6 and count it out. When we count 1. We can't see another 6, right? So it's 6 appeared only 1 time. Good. Then we move to the next number, 7. We have already did 7, so there's no need doing it again because when we still count 7, we'll still get 2. Okay, so we move to the next. We have done 5, so there's no need doing it again. We move to the next. We have 4 here. We write out 4 and count how many times 4 appeared. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 4 appeared 3 times. Okay, so we'll move to the next number. We have 3. We're going to write out 3 and count how many times 3 appeared. Let's count. 1, 2. 3 appeared 2 times. Okay, so now what do we do next? We look at these numbers and find out which one appeared more. 7 appeared 2 times, 5 appeared 2 times, 6 appeared 1, 4 appeared 3, and 3 appeared 2 times. So which is more? Correct, 4, right? 4 is more. So our answer is 4. The mode of this number is 4 because 4 appeared more than every other number. I hope we understood, right? We did understand this exercise. Okay, we move to the next example. We have 15, 14, 13, 11, 15, 14, 16, 15, 14, 14, 14. What do? We write out each number and count how many times they appeared to know how many times and which is the highest. Okay? Remember, we are not arranging in ascending to descending because even if we arrange like that, we'll still arrive at the same answer. So that is not necessary in mode. Okay, so we write out our first number, we write out 15 and count out how many times 15 appeared here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So 15 appeared how many times? 3 times. Then we'll move to the next number, 13. We count out how many times 14 appeared. We write out 14 and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 14 appeared 5 times. We move to the next number, number 13. We count out how many times 13 appeared. Write it out and count. 1, and there's no other 13, right? So 13 appeared 1 time. We move over to the next number, 11. We write out 11 and count out how many times 11 appeared. Let's go. 1. There's no other 11, right? So it's just 1, 11. Then we'll move to the next number, and the next number is 15, and we have already done 15. If we rewrite it, we're still going to get the same answer here. So we move on. We have done 14. So we'll move on to the next number, 16. We haven't done 16, right? So we write out 16 and count how many times 16 appeared. Let's count. 1. There's no other 16, right? So 16 appeared only 1 time. So what do we do next? We look at these numbers and find out which of these numbers appeared more. 15 appeared 3 times, 14 appeared 5 times, 13 appeared 1 time, 11 appeared 1 time, 16 appeared 1 time. Okay, so now which of these numbers appeared more? 14, correct. Remember we said mode are numbers or frequencies that appear more. They are what? Frequencies that appear more. Okay, do we understand? We have our fourth question here: 33, 35, 36, 36, 36, 37, 38, 38, 38. Now what do? We first of all write out each numbers and count out how many times they appeared. Then we pick out the one that appeared more, right? So write out 33 and count how many 33s we have here. When we count, we have 1. Write out 35 and count how many 35 we have. When we count, we have 1. You write out 36 and count how many 36 you have. When you count, we have how many? 3. We do the same. The next number, 37. How many 37 do we have? 1. We move to the next number, 38. How many 38s do we have? 3. Now, we are going to do what? Check for the numbers and how many times they appeared and which is the highest. 33 is 1, 35 is 1, 36 is 3, 37 is 1, 38 is 3. So here we have two numbers that have the same frequency, that have the same number of times they appeared. So our answer is 36 and 38. Okay, we have 36 and 38 as our answer. Okay, so the mode of these numbers are 36 and 38 because they appeared more than the other numbers. We do the same in number 5. write out the numbers. There's 87, 92, 78, 92, 76, 88, and 92, and count out how many times they appeared. When we do that, we write out the highest number that appeared. And when we do that, we have 92 as that number. Okay, I hope you understood this exercise, right? Very good. We are going to be moving over to other examples. We have here, find the mode of the following problem. Favorite ice cream flavors. Suppose you surveyed a group of people and their favorite ice cream flavors were chocolate, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, chocolate, mint, and chocolate. So we have to find the mode of this problem. You did a survey and the group of persons, most of them chocolate, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, chocolate, mint, chocolate. So what do we do first? We write out these flavors and count how many times they appeared. Write out chocolate and count how many times chocolate appeared. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Chocolate appears 4 times. Then we'll move to the next flavor, vanilla. We write out vanilla and count how many times it appeared. It appeared only once, right? Good. Then we'll move to the next one, strawberry. We'll count out how many times strawberry appeared. We have 1, 2. Strawberry appeared 2 times. Then we'll move to the next one, chocolate. We have already done chocolate, so there's no need for us to redo it. Then we have mint here. We count out how many times mint appeared and it's 1. So among these flavors, which one appeared more? You check. Chocolate appeared 4 times, vanilla appeared once, strawberry 2, and mint 1. So the most appeared one that appeared more is chocolate. Is what? Chocolate. So our answer to this problem is chocolate. I hope you understood, right? Good. So we have other examples concerning problem solving. We have shoe size. If we have a data set of shoes in a classroom and the sizes are 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 9, 10, 11, what do? We write out the numbers and count how many times they each appeared. And when we do that, what do we get as our answer? We have 9 as our answer, right? Because 9 is the one that appeared more, right? Correct. Then the next one is in a survey, students' favorite colors were red, blue, green, red, yellow, red, green. We have to find out which one appeared more, right? So we write out our colors: red, blue, green, and yellow. And we count how many times red appeared. How many times did red appear? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Red appeared 3 times. We move over to the next one, blue. And write out blue and count how many times blue appeared. Blue appeared only 1 time. So you write it out. You write out green and count how many times green appeared. 1, 2. Green appeared 2 times. The next one is what? Red. And we have already done red, right? So we'll move to the next. Yellow. And write out yellow and count how many times yellow appeared. 1 time. So now we look at these colors and find out how many times each appeared and which is the highest. We have red equals to 3, blue 1, green 2, yellow 1. So which one appeared more? Red, because it appeared 3 times, right? It's higher. So our answer is what? Red. Remember, we say mode are numbers that appear more or things that appear more, okay? So we have to practice more this exercise to know better on how to solve mode, on how to get our mode, okay? We have practices here that we can do. Find the mode of the following problem. The grade obtained in an English test are as follows. These grades are here, so you count how many times they appear and impute the numbers. When you do that, you write out the one that appeared more. Is it A, B, C, D, E, F? Okay? You write out your answer and you do the same for number 2. Okay? I hope you understood today's lesson. You use this practice to refer to the examples for you to be able to solve them. Okay? Good. Thank you for watching. Bye.